let's look for something else. You can just type something like video editing. You can check here 11.5 hours, 10 hours, 11.5, and somebody here has 4 hours. This has 3 hours. This is a course that is 3 hours, and there's another course here that is 1 hour. Let's look at this course. This person has done a course for just 1 hour. 1 hour means you can do this course within a day and put it on Udemy. Look at the number of students, 109, 149. Let's use the same approach. Replace that with this. 109, this person has made $600,000 if you are to base it on the way we are basing the other one. So this is something that you have to be keen on. It's not about the number of hours that you work on a certain project. It's the quality of work that you put together. As you can see, this person has a lot of students. As you can see, it's possible to come up with a course that you can sell to people online. It's not the number of hours that you're going to produce that will make your course competitive. It's the quality of the work that you're going to put together to give people something that helps them, or something that they can understand, something they can build on from maybe other platforms. The main objective should be to give people the foundational knowledge that they can base on to be able to move to the next step. This course is going to give you that foundational knowledge that you will use in the future to maximize your profits and to grow to the level that you want. The level to which you grow will depend only on you. It's not going to depend with anyone else. It's only going to depend with the quality of your work and the effort that you're going to put. Should you come up with an academic course, or should we do a course on any general topic? When you are making a decision on what type of course to do, please avoid courses that are attached to certifications, because it means there is a school that teaches it, the formal school, and probably you're also going to find a lot of competition online. When you come up with your own course, it means you are the master of that course, and the content that you present to people will be based on your own research and the syllabus that you want to present to people. So it's always good to come up with your own content as opposed to copying a syllabus from an academic course and then start working to fight competition. On the other hand, if you're comfortable enough to compete with the people or with the courses that are out there online, the regulating body, or the body that offers that certification, will have already done marketing for you for the course. So if you want to do academic courses or certifications, make sure that you are among the first people who offer those kind of certification, especially in the first year when such a certification is released. In case you have any questions so far, please put it in the questions and answer section below this video, and I will respond to it as soon as possible. Let us catch up in the next video.